So in this question, a circle is given and we have to find its radius. Here measure of this chord AD is given as 10 units. Also BC is given as 5 units. There is a disclaimer that the figure is not drawn to scale. So let us begin. First of all, let us join points A and O and then extend it. So this will be the diameter of this circle. Let us name this as point M. Now if we join these 2 points D and M, this angle will be 90 degree, because we know a theorem that if we have a circle and this is the diameter, so on this semicircle, if we take any point on the circumference, then this angle is always 90 degree. Likewise, if we choose this point and we make this angle, so this is also 90 degree. So this is a theorem. So using this theorem, this is the center, AM is the diameter, D is any point on the circumference. So this angle will be 90 degree. Now let us suppose this angle as alpha and this angle as beta. So in triangle ADM, we have alpha, beta and 90 degree as 3 angles. So from here we will get a relation that alpha plus beta plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. Angle sum property of this triangle. So alpha plus beta will be 180 minus 90, that is 90 degree. So this is the relationship between alpha and beta. Now let us join points A and B. Now focus on this arc AD. This arc AD is subtending angle alpha here. Likewise, this arc is subtending this angle also. So this angle will also be equal to alpha. Now if we see this triangle, this is a right angle triangle. One angle is 90 degree, the other one is alpha. So this will be 90 minus alpha. So let me write it down. This is 90 degree minus alpha, which can be written as equal to beta, because from this relation we can get beta equal to 90 degree minus alpha. Now let me erase these things. Now we have got that this angle is beta and this angle is also beta. If we see that we have this arc BC and this arc MD subtending equal angles beta, so these two arcs must be equal in length. This is another property, that equal arcs subtend equal angle. So on the circumference of this circle, arcs BC and MD are subtending equal angle beta, so they must be equal in measure. Now if arc BC is equal to arc MD, then this line segment BC must also be equal to this line segment MD. So BC is equal to MD. BC is given to us as 5 units, so MD will also be 5 units. Now let us focus on this triangle AMD. Let me draw it separately. So this is D, this point is M, this is A. Here AD is 10 units, MD we found as 5 units, and this AM is the diameter. So this can be written as a small d. We can use Pythagorean theorem here. So diameter square will be equal to 10 squared plus 5 square. So this will be 100 plus 25, that is 125. So d will be square root of 125, that is 5 root 5 units. So the radius is half of the diameter. So this will be 5 root 5 divided by 2 units. So we have successfully found the radius of this given circle. So if you want to get more such interesting questions, do not forget to subscribe my channel.